Hello guys, my name is Rohit Jeevan Mundapure. This is my first video on YouTube. This video all about grammar and communication. So let's start. So how to speak in English? It's very important for everyone. So many students know also, and there is a teach you grammar. Okay. So then we after grammar I will start communication. So what has to be done for speaking English? It's very important to everyone. Reading storybook newspaper for 30 minutes every day. If you read daily you can learn new words also. Re- in a newspaper there is so many new words, so that's why I suggest you newspaper is read daily. So listening anything for 30 minutes is also very helpful for learning English. And think in English every day. It's basic things. If you think regularly you can speak very well. So next slide. What is to be know to improve English language? So I think everyone know how to speak, and which thing must know to speak English. What's power? Okay. Verb regular and irregular, one word substitution, phrases, proverb, idioms and idiomatic expression, structure of sentence, tension. There are three tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. It's very important. So every tense has a four subtypes. So there is four types: simple tense, continue or progressive, perfect continue or progressive. So hope you guys everyone enjoy this video. First we take present tense. simple present tense Simple present tense, and there are sub three parts. Simple present tense part 1: subject plus first form of verb plus verb, object plus other words. So easy to learn this formula: subject plus v1 plus object plus other words. V1 means first form of verb. Subject to be used are I, we, they, you and non plural. So non plural is I, we, they, you. So there is example we take: I wake up in morning by 6 a.m. I don't wake up in morning by 6 a.m. Do I wake up in morning by 6 a.m.? Don't I wake up in morning by 6 a.m. मी सकाळी 6 वाजता उठलो. मी सकाळी 6 वाजता उठलो नाही. मी सकाळी 6 वाजता उठतो का? मी सकाळी 6 वाजता उठत नाही का? This is Marathi meaning and this is English meaning. And if do I wake up in morning by 6 a.m., this is question mark here. If anyone ask, if you can ask anyone, do you wake up in morning by 6 a.m., so that time we can use this type of word including question mark. Use do and don't and above mention subjects. So do and don't, you know how to use do and don't. So next slide is so simple present part 2: subject plus first form of verb plus object plus other words. There is also very simple trick of learn this formula: subject plus v1 plus object plus other words. So hope you guys, if you didn't get this properly, you can pause the video and read properly. You can easy to understand. If any question, so you can comment me. Subject to be used: he, she, it, noun singular. Singular is he, she, it. Okay. So rule 1: if verb end with ch, sh, double s, x and z, then we can use es with verb. So this is 5 example are there: watch, abolish, go, guess, fix and quiz. So he finishes dinner by 8 p.m. तो रात्री 8 वाजता त्याचे जेवण पूर्ण करतो. शी डज नॉट फिनिश हिज डिनर बाय 8 p.m. तो रात्री 8 वाजता त्याचे जेवण पूर्ण करतो का? डज ही फिनिश हिज डिनर बाय 8 p.m. तो रात्री 8 वाजता त्याचे जेवण पूर्ण करतो का? डज नॉट शी फिनिश हिज डिनर बाय 8 p.m. तो रात्री 8 वाजता त्याचे जेवण पूर्ण करत नाही का? दिस इज सिम्पल प्रेझेंट पार्ट 2. होप यू गाईज अंडरस्टूड. So guys, part 3: Next part 3, simple present part 3. Use of have has in simple present. Which subject I, we, they, you and noun plural use have. Second, which subject he, she, it and noun singular use has. So I have, we have, they have. This type of words we can use so many times in while speaking. Which subject he, she, it, she has, he has, it has, like this. Singular is he, she, it, and plural means I, we, they, you. Okay. Subject plus have has plus name of relationship or disease. This word I take here, relationship or disease. I have brother. This words including in relationship. I have brother. मला भाऊ आहे. She has uncle. तिला uncle आहे. Like this. Rani has fever. Praveen has cough. These are under the disease. Okay, these words. So guys, hope you understood. So next, subject plus have has plus name of thing. Subject plus have has plus name of thing. I have many dresses. माझ्याकडे बरेच कपडे आहे. I have many dresses. So many time we use I have many dresses. She has lot of book. Okay. So this all words means these two words is including name of things. Okay guys. Subject plus have has plus name of eatable thing. Eatable thing under these words. I have breakfast in morning. I have cup of tea in morning. She has dinner by 8 p.m. So hope you guys you understand very well. If you any question regarding to grammar, you can message me in comment box, and I hope you everyone enjoy this video. So tomorrow i will I will put second video. Next video tomorrow continue part 2. So tomorrow we can take a simple continue tense. So guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.